Hi techies, are you passionate about working with the AWS? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a EC2 instance in AWS console. So our task is delete the EC2 instance named DevOps EC2 present in US East 1 region. So for that, I have access for the AWS console. I'm going to log in that, and after that I plan to delete the DevOps EC2 instance. So that's our tasks. So for that I'm going to Chrome browser, open it. I have a AWS console, and I'm just going to log in now. So once you log in your console, you can find the all the service which is you can able to access in AWS. So my task is we need to delete or terminate our EC2 instance. So for that case, I'm selecting EC2 instance in. So I can able to see one instance up and running, region North Virginia, US East 1. So I'm selecting for instance which is running. Once you select it, it will be take you through for EC2 instant dashboard, and after that you need to select the tick box here in incidents, and you can see the details over the about the EC2 instance. And our task, we need to terminate this instance. So I'm going to add instance state, and we have the option called terminate or delete instance. So I'm selecting that. So here we have an option terminate and delete. So you just click on that. So you need to wait for 2 minutes to delete this instance. So now we can see a notification are here successfully initiated for termination deleted. So after that you just refresh your console and check the status of the instance delete. Now the incident has been terminated. So this is our task. It successfully we have completed. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.